Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we will practice daily English for a bakery calling a customer about an order. Listen, repeat, and improve your speaking skills. Let's begin. Bakery calling customer out of stock.
Hello, this is Sunrise Bakery. May I speak with you, please?
Yes, speaking.
I'm calling about your order. One item is out of stock.
Oh, I see. Which item?
The chocolate cake is not available today.
Okay, no problem.
Offering a replacement.
Would you like a replacement?
Yes, what do you have?
We have vanilla cake or strawberry cake.
Accept replacement.
I'll take the vanilla cake, please.
Great, I'll update your order.
Item.
I'll cancel that item.
Okay, no problem.
Toast or slice option.
For the bread, would you like it toasted or sliced?
Sliced, please.
Confirming the order.
Your order will be ready soon.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your understanding.
Ending the call.
Have a nice day.
You too, goodbye.
Ending. That's all for today. Practice every day and improve your English. See you next time.